Hello everybody here and welcome to my channel. I'm going to make some fish curry. Last time which I saw in the TikTok, somebody is making the fish curry. Is very nice and simple, and at the same time looks very delicious, and I'm going to make the same one, but let's see what's gonna happen. So I already fried the garlic and then the ginger paste. After I fried this, I add some sliced onions. I took the one whole big onion. I'm going to cover until it's soft, and then until it's soft and little bit brown, and then also little bit crisp on the edges of the garlic and the onion. So so it's now it's the perfect. It looks very nice and very perfect the way I like. So I am going to spring this little it's not spicy, it's only for the color. Red chili powder, it's called Kashmiri chili, and then some cumin, and then some pink salt. I always use the Himalayan pink salt because it's more healthier than the regular salt. It's some turmeric obviously. So now my fish is also it's ready. So I already the marinated, and then the already fried, and then now it's time to add some obviously tomato, some ripe big tomato. I took it 2 whole, and I'm going to cook tomato until it's soft, and then and after that I'm going to mix the fish obviously. So to mix all together I need some I need some time to cook properly. So I'm going to cover up, and after 2 minutes I think it's soft and already is cooked, and it's mixed all together. Looks very nice, it smells very nice, and then I think it's time to add some little water to mix all together for the flavor. And then see, it's very beautiful, and then the way it looks, I think it's nice. And okay, and now after 2 minutes it's ready for some add. So I'm going to add the cooked fish. I took the kingfish, and for a flavor, whichever fish you like you can add. And I'm going to cook more to 2 to 5 minutes actually, to mix all together, to combine the flavor the way and then I'm going to reduce a little bit water as well. So and it takes it doesn't take time actually. So 5 minutes is perfect I think for the fish. Now after 5 minutes it's ready, and I'm going to sprinkle some coriander. So thank you so much for your time.